Oppo Reno 8 Pro. Oppo Reno series continues to get strong focus from the brand with more devices looking to compete with the best in the business. Now it is time for the new Reno 8 which has a Pro model. The latest Reno device has a 6.5-inch AMOLED display that supports full HD plus resolution at 1080 into 2400 pixels. The skin comes with a punch-hole design and offers pixel density of 405 ppi. The Reno 8 Pro comes powered by octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset along with 12GB RAM and offers 256GB internal storage which is non-expandable. The new Reno phone features a quad rear camera that includes 50 megapixel primary sensor, 16 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor, 13 megapixel telephoto sensor and 5 megapixel sensor. On the front, the phone has a single 32 megapixel wide selfie camera that also supports video calls. Oppo has packed the Reno 8 Pro with a 5000 mAh battery that supports fast charging via USB Type-C port. Other features on the phone are on-screen fingerprint sensor, face unlock and headphone jack.